Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, still moving in here at the new location, but I appreciate all y'all, man, that have been tuning in, supporting. I'm here with my cat, as y'all can see. Here, hopefully, maybe there's a photo there of her being a big baby this morning. We're trying to focus, but she keeps, like, walking around my feet here. All good, though. Basically, today, in this video, though, we're going to be discussing some hype sneakers that are at solid prices right now, or some pairs that are just good buys. Basically, sneakers you can catch a good deal on. Pairs that are actually pretty nice that you can catch a good deal on. So if that's something you're interested in, then hey, this is your video right here, and I hope you guys will enjoy that. Let me close this up right here. Excuse me. I'm not sure if my roommate's here or not, so I don't want to wake him up with me making a video here today. We'll open that back up in a minute. Kitty, you just chill out for a little bit. But yeah, that's basically the topic for today's video. I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into it. If you guys want more content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if we can do that, that'd be great. If not, do not worry about it. Don't forget, we're always trying to post every single day. So we'll be here tomorrow with more. And you can check out my Instagrams down below, my TikTok lives. We'll be back with more stuff for sale on my TikTok lives very shortly. Probably just heard my cat. And on my Instagram pages, you can see I post tons of stuff for sale there every day. Or on my website, wickskicksllc.com. That is also loaded down below in the comments. So feel free to show your boys some support there. If you want to cop anything, use code WICK15 for 15% off everything. Or code Essentials20 for 20% off all Essentials pieces. And again, on my Instagram store, we post bulk Supreme, tons of other items. If you're interested in any of that, just go there to my Instagram page and you'll see that there. And you can see my cat's being a crazy girl. She hates when I close this door. So let me open this door back up and then let's get into it. Come here, kitty. Here's a little baby Luna, as you can see. Come here. Come here. She's still adjusting to the new place. If you've had pets before, you know how they can be at new places. Unless it's a dog. Dogs love it. Cats, not so much. All right, there we go. That should be better for her. There, if you want to go out, go ahead. All right. Okay, there's the photo of her, as you can see. So you see I'm not capping. That's what she's literally doing right now. Alright. So, aside from that, and she ran the back end here. Yes, crazy kitty. Okay, I'm going to move over to this side. This is where we were at in the thumbnail. So we'll just move over to right here. And let's get the screen recording started right here. So that's going to pop up in a second. But basically, we're just, again, discussing sneakers that you can catch a solid deal on. And everything that I was mentioning earlier is down below in the pinned comments. If you want to check that, feel free. Again, tons of stuff for sale. Feel free to, show your boy some love there. But if y'all want to, again, go ahead. No worries. We got this up, though, and I think it's important that we take a look right now at what is a solid deal. So we'll just go to what's featured. I think that's, a decent, kind of shows us what StockX is trying to promote, what's popular right now, and we'll get into it from there. So a sneaker that is firstly a great deal right now, probably one of the first ones you can mention right off the bat is the Infrared Salesman Jordan 6. These are under retail. In pretty much all sizes. These are under retail. So if you want to go get the Infrared 6, yeah, most apps, most locations, I mean, even a lot of resellers are selling these in bulk under retail right now. So Infrared 6s, it's a nice pair. It's obviously a classic colorway, something that we'll always rock with. But yeah, you can kind of see that people are dropping the price on them a good bit. So, I mean, definitely not a sneaker to flip. But for the personal collection, as one to grab that you can get a good deal on, again, that's the topic of this video. We're just discussing things that are a solid deal, things that look to be nice in price right now. You know what I mean? And these actually look to be very nice in price, I think. Now, not as a whole, but again, as a pickup, you can't go wrong with the popular colorway of a good model, a Jordan 6, under retail, especially something like this, an infrared colorway. Sorry if I'm seeming like I'm trying to focus right here. I am. My cat is literally being, I don't know why my cat's being so crazy this morning. She was super chill yesterday when I was making my video then, but today she's just like jumping everywhere being crazy. Oh my gosh. All right. We're going to get it all, we're going to get locked in though and we'll be good. So, that's the Infrared 6 Salesman, probably the first one to mention very briefly. I don't want to go over that one for a long time. There's a lot of sneakers to discuss right now. Now, the next one that we can kind of get into, oh yeah, this is a great deal right here. The Flight Club Jordan 4s. I feel like this is one that we got to mention in this video here. So as you guys can see with the Flight Club 4s, look at the price range these are at right now. And I was telling y'all, man, I knew when these were at like that 149, like 159-ish range like the other day. Or it was like a week or two ago, I'm gonna be honest. I knew that was too low. It's like, bro, what Jordan 4 brand new do you know settles at like $150? I'm like, I don't know any men's Jordan 4 that's $150. And there were some sizes on these on StockX that were $149. Like big men's sizes, like size 11, I think it was. I was like, that's unusual. That's like grade school retail plus a few bucks. Like, what happened with this pair? Like, how are we this low? I don't know. But now you can see they bounced back up a bit in price. And I was telling y'all, these might just be a hold for the fact that they were so low in price. And look, are we right about that? Maybe? Let's see. Okay, so they bumped up a little. But look. I'll show you that I was not kidding about that. Does it show? Alright, so you can see the kind of 158 range. But bro, there were some sizes of these that were at 140. Let me see if I can find it. What's the size 11? Let's see. Let's see if I'm right about that. But good sales volume on these two. Again, I think these are a decent bet. I think these can head back up towards $200. No problem. Yeah, look at that. They said 152. Look at that. I mean, again, these are now back up at 177. That's a small rise, nothing too crazy, but literally going up for the fact that they were too low in price. The plug dropped them too low in price. It was like, oh shoot, hold up, wait. I'd sell these for more than that. And you can see, look, they're still selling very consistently, lots of sales volume, and not at that 150 range, more kind of closer to 170, getting close to 180-ish, right? And again, I think these are going to end up getting to $200. That's what I personally predicted a couple weeks ago. I still think that. I just think that whole range, 150, 160, that's, even if it's a colorway that people aren't rocking with for Jordan 4s, that's still way too low. Like, I think we can all comfortably admit, like, Jordan 4s don't normally, how can I put this? They're not like, I'm trying to think of like the best way to word this. Even if it's a bad colorway, they'll still go for like 200 flat. You know what I'm saying? Like 150, 140 is crazy work for a men's pair. So like, yeah, once I saw that, I was like, okay, yeah, these are going to go up at least a little bit for the fact that they're too low in price. So that's a good deal right there still. So that's one to mention right there. Of course, you can even mention the white cements right next to it. Boom. Another one that's a beautiful deal right now. Look at that. Solid pricing. These used to be even lower in price, but, still a good one to mention right now, I think. Because it's a clean, classic colorway. You cannot go wrong with that for the collection. Can't forget that. Oh, this is kind of like a random note, but anybody seen like these right here? These have been going back up in price a little bit. Where are they at? Here you go. These have actually been going back up a little bit in some sizes. Check it out. Cavestone 4s. Look at where these are going for in some sizes. Check it out. Look at that. You can see heading up towards 240-ish. So, solid pricing. Look at that last sale. Look at that highest bid. Cavestone 4s might be heading up in price, y'all. I'm just saying. Look at that. I think the Cavestone 4s might head up in price in the summertime. Look at that. I'm just saying. Over the last month. That looks beautiful right there. Heading into summer. So, I've been looking for some of the Cavestone 4s. They're getting a bit harder to find. It's a clean, classic, easy to wear colorway. Like, not classic, but easy to wear colorway for sure. Definitely think Cavestone's got some potential also. Don't sleep on that. I would say also, if you've never had a pair of Jordan 3s, the Levi 3s are good pricing right now. The all black pair. Where is it at? This one right here. These are amazing prices right now. Check it out. So y'all can see where these are reselling at right now. Kind of that range of, you can see 180 to about 250. The bigger sizes going for more. They just don't make as many of them. So that kind of makes sense. You can see the sales are pretty consistent on these. Honestly, like, this is a very basic, simple colorway. Like, it's really just all denim and kind of like black leather. So a nice sneaker, but nothing like, how can I put this? They're good, but they're not crazy. So this one's a good deal, but it's not like the other ones, you know what I mean, where I'm like, okay, these are actually like solid pricing. Like, these could actually go up in price maybe. Like, these are good to just grab for the collection now. These you got some time on. I feel like these would be kind of at that cheap range for a decent amount of time. I could be wrong on that, but that's my thoughts on these at least. Oh, and we gotta mention these. This is definitely a solid one to put in this video. So the medium olive Jordan 1 Low. These now, this is one that, how can I put this? I've liked this one as a hold for a while now. And not even just as a hold. I've liked this one for the personal collection for a minute. This is one I gotta swing around and grab ASAP. Because look what they're going for my size 9. Bruh, like, crazy good deal. So that's probably the next pair of like sneakers for the personal collection I really want. Let me actually screenshot this so I remember that. There we go. I don't know why I've been forgetting like what the next. Because I just got the Persian Violet SBs. Love those. Only have worn them like once though. So I gotta wear them around. Honestly, I gotta wear a couple of my kicks around more a bit. We're still going to move some more stuff today. So still doing all that moving and everything. So it's been very, very busy. But this is a sneaker that's an amazing deal right now. Look at the prices on these. And again, look at what the Mocha Jordan 1 Low goes for. I think that's very telling as to where these can head in price. The Mocha Jordan 1 Low, I think it's like $200 right now. These easily could be at $200 in my opinion. It's a wearable colorway. In the bigger sizes, it's had some very good sales volume. And it's actually been a lot harder for me to find a pair of these for a decent deal. Like, that's how popular they've been. It's just been hard for me to find a decent deal on these for people. Like, this has been a popular shoe. So, with the medium olive Jordan 1 Lows, definitely not one to sleep on. I think, again, we got lots of long-term potential with how wearable these are. I think we just need to let the stock dwindle down a bit. But I think heading into summertime, man, these are a safe bet. Like, look, you can see they're already having some sales volume and getting a bit higher in price compared to where they were at. Look at that. Look at where they were at and look where they're at now. So, I'm just saying, I think there's some definite potential on this sneaker right here, in my opinion, as being a good buy. Not only a solid personal pair, the next pair of sneakers I really want for my personal collection, right? But just a good pricing on these too. Like, you can make a flip on these in the future at the prices they're at. And luckily, I think that screen recording saved. That's really everything I need to say in terms of sneakers that are good buys right now, guys. Pretty brief video today, but a good one hopefully for you all. Just letting y'all know some solid deals out there right now. Some sneakers you can find that, again, could potentially go up in price, but mainly just good pairs for the collection that aren't too expensive, or just, again, are at their lowest point in price maybe right now. And it's like, hey, you know, let's maybe we've noticed them actually going up in price slightly over the last couple months, like the medium olive Jordan 1 low. We're like, hey, you know what? Let's pay attention to these, because they probably will keep doing that over the next few months, especially heading into summertime, back to school. Like, you know, stuff's gonna start going up in price. So that's what I really think, guys. If y'all want more content like this, again, subscribe and like down below. Normal goal is 300 likes. If you do that, that'd be great. Everything is linked down below in the pinned comment. Don't forget my Instagram pages. What else am I going to say? My website. Use code WICK15 for 50% off everything, man. If y'all want to do that, everything ships same or next day. Keep in mind. And what else am I going to say? My Instagram page, man. We got tons of stuff for sale there, bro. I'm going to post some new stuff there. Hopefully some new content there today as well. If I'm not too busy, just if y'all want to check my story, again, we post a huge amount of stuff for sale there every single day. So if you're interested in like bulk Supreme items, accessories, or just, you know, sneaker stuff, again, tons of stuff for sale. Got most sizes, so just let me know. We even got like tees, streetwear. Just let me know, y'all. And again, everything will ship as quick as possible for y'all, as always. And if you ever have any questions, my messages are open. Or again, just ask it in the comment section down below, and I got you guys. So that's pretty much everything I need to say. Again, if there's anything else y'all are curious about, again, just let me know. And again, if you ever to support your boy, cop some off the site or on my IG, and I appreciate y'all big time. Those of you that do. If not, no worries too. You know what I mean? If you just chat with me in the comments too, that's what's up. I appreciate that. You know, so. There's my cat, little Luna, being a crazy girl this morning. We're going to try now. I got to get my internet set up today, so we're going to get that set up today. And then, yeah, I got to get more stuff moved. And then, yeah, you know, we'll see what we have time for the rest of the day. Hopefully we have enough time for everything. Hopefully the cable guys aren't, like, super late. But we'll see. I don't know their schedule. So, yeah, T, thank you, guys. I'll catch y'all the next one tomorrow. Pray for your boy today. Hopefully we're not moving until, like, 8 p.m. All right, because I want to get this out in time. See y'all tomorrow. Peace out, squad.